Hi, I'm Sascha Segan from PC Mag, and I wanted to show you some of the key aspects of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's camera. Now, this camera is a second chance for Samsung. It's got a lot of the key aspects of the Galaxy S20 Ultra camera, but it added a laser autofocus, and that's critically important because the Galaxy S20 Ultra camera had focusing problems. The good news is I'm not seeing it here, and there are some other cool new features that I wanted to show you. So here goes. The first key aspect I want to talk about is focus. The Galaxy S20 Ultra camera had trouble with focus. The Galaxy Note camera does not have trouble with focus. Even if I focus on something near and then something far, it doesn't have the focus delay and the focus pulsing that I saw on the S20 Ultra, and that is critically important. There's also a new Pro Video mode, which lets you do a lot more with audio in your videos. Look at the VU meters on the left-hand side of the screen right now, showing the different levels on different sides of recording. And now I'm going to tap this mic button down here, and it lets me change the mic that I'm using for recording. I can change it from the rear mic to the front mic, Omni mic, and then up here I could use a USB mic or even a Bluetooth mic to record audio. That gives you a lot more flexibility for clear audio. Now here on the side I'm changing the level on the audio too. That's a really neat feature that helps you get much better audio in your videos. Finally, let's talk about zoom. Now, there's a multi-camera array on the Note 20 Ultra, and of course it goes from 1x to 0.5x, but then it goes 2x, 4x, and we go to 10, 20, and 50. And now 50 does not look that bad. I mean, it definitely doesn't look as bad as the 100x on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, another fix that they made, in this case, just by not overpromising. I've got to spend more time with this phone and with its camera before really judging how good it is. But that's a quick first look, and it's really encouraging. I especially want to take a nice look at low light photography, which obviously I can't do right now because it's a very sunny day out. We will have much more Galaxy Note 20 Ultra coverage on PCMag.com, and I look forward to you seeing it. This is Sascha Segan from PCMag.com.